Now we're working in bag SB2, where we're going to do Strata 3 for the cross piece for the sun block. And we have one Strata 3, and we're going to take two background pieces and sew them to either side of a dark 2 fabric. For the throw size for these cross pieces, you have 2 full strips of the background fabric and 1 strip of the dark 2 fabric. And you also have 2 strips of the background fabric that are 20.5 inches long and 1 strip of the dark number 2 fabric that's 20.5 inches long. So you'll take those pieces and you'll piece another half piece that'll be about this big. So for the throw size, you'll have a full piece, the full width of fabric, and then you'll have one piece that's half the width of the fabric. And that's your strata for the throw size. For the double size, you'll have 3 of these pieces. And then when you press, you're going to press toward the dark fabric, just like this. So go ahead and piece your 1.5 strata for the throw size and your 3 strata for the double size. Now to subcut these Strata 3, we're going to subcut in 1.5 inch segments. And we'll need a total of 32 for the throw size and 80 for the double size. And we'll do it the same way. Use the horizontal line and get as close to the left side as you can to cut off the selvage, and then we'll start on this side. And for these, I have a 24-inch wide cutting mat, so I'm going to start on the 24-inch side on the right. And then we're going to cut in multiples of 1.5 inches to the left. Here we start at 16.5. And you should get 27 pieces from one full strip. Now cut up all your segments. Remember, you need 32 for the throw size and you need 80 for the double size.